Welcome back to my vegan world. Today I wanted to show you what we prepped. We did some veggie prep and wanted to show you what we did. So we cut up a whole bunch of mushrooms. These are carmini mushrooms. We also had some fresh broccoli and we washed it and we separate out the stems and the florets. Here's all the florets prepped and here's all the stems chopped up. They taste great in stir fries. Here's a couple carrots that we shredded using a food grater, and then we have cabbage, both purple cabbage and green cabbage. Sorry, green and red cabbage. We did all that cutting by hand, shredding it, and then finally we prepped some garlic and ginger. We're going to be making a delicious soba noodle dish, and these are all going to be going in it. Thanks so much for watching our veggie prep video. See you next time.